Italian pasta is a staple food that is loved all around the world. It is a versatile food that can be prepared in a variety of ways and enjoyed with different sauces and toppings. Pasta is a traditional Italian dish that has been enjoyed for centuries and has become an integral part of Italian cuisine. There are many types of pasta, including spaghetti, fettuccine, linguine, penne, and many more. Each type of pasta has a unique shape and texture, which makes it perfect for different types of sauces and dishes. For example, spaghetti is a long, thin noodle that is often paired with tomato-based sauces, while penne is a short, tube-shaped pasta that is often paired with cream or cheese-based sauces. One of the most popular types of Italian pasta is spaghetti. Spaghetti is typically made from durum wheat semolina and water, and is cooked in a large pot of boiling salted water. Once cooked, it can be paired with a variety of sauces, including tomato sauce, pesto, or even just olive oil and garlic. Another popular type of Italian pasta is fettuccine. Fettuccine is a flat noodle that is often paired with cream-based sauces, such as Alfredo sauce. The texture of the noodle allows it to hold on to that creamy sauce, creating a rich and flavorful dish. Linguine is another popular type of Italian pasta. It is similar to spaghetti, but is flatter and wider. Linguine is often paired with seafood, such as clams or shrimp, and is served with a light sauce made from olive oil, garlic, and white wine. Penne is a tube-shaped pasta that is often used in baked dishes, such as baked ziti. The shape of the pasta allows it to hold on to sauce, making it perfect for baked dishes. Penne is also commonly used in pasta salads, as it holds up well and adds a nice texture to the dish. In addition to the different shapes of pasta, there are also different types of sauces that can be paired with the pasta. Tomato-based sauces, such as marinara and arrabbiata, are a popular choice for spaghetti and other long noodles. These sauces are typically made with tomatoes, garlic, onions, and a variety of spices, and are simmered for hours to create a rich and flavorful sauce. Cream-based sauces, such as Alfredo and carbonara, are a popular choice for fettuccine and other flat noodles. These sauces are typically made with heavy cream, butter, and Parmesan cheese, and are often paired with bacon or ham to add flavor. Pesto is another popular sauce that is often paired with pasta. Pesto is made from fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese, and is blended together with olive oil to create a smooth sauce. It is often paired with linguine or other long noodles, and can be topped with cherry tomatoes and Parmesan cheese for added flavor. In addition to the different types of pasta and sauces, there are also a variety of toppings that can be added to pasta dishes. Meatballs are a popular topping for spaghetti, while shrimp or scallops are often added to linguine dishes. Vegetables, such as roasted tomatoes or sautéed mushrooms, can also be added to pasta dishes to add flavor and nutrition. In conclusion, Italian pasta is a versatile and delicious food that is loved all around the world. With a variety of shapes, sauces, and toppings, there is a pasta dish for everyone. Whether it is a simple spaghetti with tomato sauce or a rich fettuccine Alfredo, Italian pasta is a staple of Italian cuisine that will continue to be enjoyed for generations to come.